And of course, as I mentioned, a lot of theming and a lot of the props in Tornado Springs have been updated and repainted. So the Storm Chaser entrance portal is a good example of this. The paint was starting to flake off, obviously being here for a long time, so we've done a whole new recoat, taken it back, put new paint on, and this should look like this for a long time now. And this is alongside some of the other props in Tornado Springs, such as some of the chickens, the groundhogs, and some of the signage as well, which we've updated and are working our way through.